Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we will show you where to find the relay for the AC compressor, for the air conditioner guys. We will guys have a video where the fuse is located in the glove box. Check this thing out. But you actually have a second fuse that's for the clutch relay, AC clutch relay, and you have a relay. So you have three components that you need to check if your AC compressor doesn't work. One fuse in the glove box, one fuse for the relay, and the main relay for the AC compressor. Now, that's what we'll be covering today guys. The fuse for the relay and the relay itself. We'll be having also guys more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel in return, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. We have a 2005 BMW guys right here, but doesn't matter which one you have, the procedure will be the same guys. So what do we need to do? We need to open the hood now. We'll start with the fuse for the relay and then we'll go to the relay. Right here you have one fuse box, okay, and that's where the engine computer is located. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you need to remove with a Torx 25 star looking bit. And let me show you now guys. Okay, you need to just get all of those loose and then you pull it out, slide it, and it comes out. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Now the fuse for the AC clutch relay will be located in this fuse pack right here. It will be fuse number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you cannot just replace the fuse the way it sits there. You have to pull the whole fuse block out and I'll explain what needs to be done. Here you have one clip, spread it out and pull that fuse block up. Each of those fuses guys is just a regular standard fuse and you replace them by opening that cap. One tooth here, one here. Slide it out and open and check the fuse or replace it. Now I'll show you guys how I can test that one without even opening it. I get a voltmeter, okay, set it at continuity testing there, and if you're guys looking for a good voltmeter, check out this one, will be listed. It's very affordable and very good. And if we measure that fuse now with continuity testing, if it's a good fuse it will go to 0 because it will show us that we have communication there. There is okay, no resistance. If the fuse is burnt, it will be like you're not touching it, okay, it will just stay like that. Now this is the good fuse, okay. Fuse number 4 is for the AC, okay, AC clutch relay. Now next step guys, okay, let me just put that cover on. Okay, we'll need to put it on and we'll need to get it tight, okay, later, so I don't waste your time. Perfect, like that. And now guys, we're going to go inside. You will need to go ahead and remove your glove box. The whole video is on the channel guys, how to do that. From start to finish, how to remove the glove box so you can access the relays behind the glove box. So check it out, if you need help, it will be on our channel. This is the glove box now guys, and coming this way now, okay, you will see your relays. Relay number 1 is for the AC clutch compressor. And which one is that? It's super simple and they made it super easy. It's green guys, excuse me, it's blue right here. Most of them are green on top, but this is blue and this is relay number 1. So this is the relay. It will be listed guys in the description of the video below as well, so you can see where we buy the replacement parts, okay, and also the part numbers and all that stuff. So if your AC doesn't work, check out the relay and the fuse for it itself. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.